Hey everybody, it's me, Amanda Call, and it's October, and that means it's October Art Challenge Month time. Yeah, so traditionally in October everybody does what has been known as Inktober. That started as kind of a viral art challenge to draw something in ink every day throughout the month of October. There has been a little bit of controversy around that in the last couple of months especially, but realistically over the last couple of years there's been a little bit of stuff building up. Realistically, as much as Inktober was a lot of fun and what got me into it in the first place, I never followed the prompts. I never put a lot of stock into what was official for the whole event. I really just enjoyed getting a chance to, along with a bunch of other artists, share a bunch of work, go through a really intense period of creativity and challenging myself every day. And ink is my favorite medium, so that made it a lot of fun for me too. And the big community event, the fact that everybody around the world is participating in this at the same time. People are drifting away from Inktober because of some of the controversy, which I really will not get into here because I don't know. I don't know Parker, I don't know Dunn, I don't know any of these people. I don't know anything more than anyone else who is not personally, directly involved. So I really can't offer any insight other than to say it's a whole big mess, and a lot of us just really don't want to get embroiled in it. So people are kind of moving away from Inktober and doing all sorts of other challenges. Right now, I'm going to be participating in Scrolloween, which is actually a fundraiser for the Cartoon Art Museum. If you head over to their website, I'll put links and stuff in the description here, and check out the fundraiser there. A bunch of us artists are contributing artwork there to try to raise money for the museum, which is super awesome. There's a bunch of other different lists going on that I pulled different prompts from, but I'm going to be trying to do a different drawing every day in October, posting them here on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, trying to just get it all over the place and participate in the great art bonanza that happens every October with as little drama as humanly possible. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm really looking forward to see what everybody else comes up with too.